is the B Square News TV. It's a channel which shows you different things. Yeah, now we are going to see how you can change the icon of the folder of another application which is in your computer. Yeah, first of all, icon is a small folder which represents a folder or an app. Yeah, this folder was like this one, was with the same icon like this one, but I have already changed to this one, which is like a lock. Yeah, so remember, tap on the subscribe so the next time when I upload a new video you will get notification. Also, you can go and look our previous videos so that we know more and more. Yeah, first of all, let's create a new folder. Yeah, and this new folder, as you see, you can come, let's call it, for example, video, and we can, to change its icon, for example, to another icon, we click on it, then we come here to properties. Yeah, on properties, as you see here, they're telling us that there is general, sharing, security, previous, and customize. Then you come here on customize. Then as you see that they're telling you here, they're telling you can change the folder icon, or if you change the icon, it will no longer show a preview of the folder's content. Yeah, then click here on change icon. As you see here, they show you many different forms of icon. You can change, use this, you can use this, you can use this, you can select what you want depending on how you want your folder to look like. Yeah, for example, let me choose this one of the tree. Yeah, as you see, I choose the one of the tree. Yeah, and then click on OK. Then you come here and click on apply, then OK. Directory, the icon of your folder has changed. So you can also change the icon of a given application. Yeah, for example, let's change the icon of this Microsoft Edge. As I told you, you click on it and then come here on the properties, then you come here on change icon. As you see, they show you different icons. You can choose this one, or PDF, you can choose this one, you can choose this one, you will choose what you want. Yeah, then let me choose this one. Yeah, then click on OK, then click here on apply. Yeah, you click on apply, then OK. Yeah, as you see, directory it's changed. Yeah, and also you can use your own icons. To use your own icons, for example, let's change this one and use our own icon. You will come here on properties, then come here on customize, then change icon. Yeah, as you see, as I told you that they will give me many icons, but I don't want to use this one. I can use mine by coming here on browse to browse yours. When you click on your browse, they show you different possible icons that are there, and you can choose one. For example, let me click on this, then open. As you see, they tell me the file that I have chosen contains no icon. If there are some icons in it, they will show me them, and then I choose the icon I want to use. Yeah, also let us change it, for example, to this one of, let's choose this one, let's change this to the icon of what, of like this one. Let us change it to this one. Yeah, then click on OK, then apply, and okay. As you see, directory, it changed it. Let me increase the size of those apps so that you will see them very well. As you see, this one is one we changed, this one, and another one is this. Yeah, those are three apps that we changed. We changed the app, we changed and two folders. We changed the icons. Yeah, and also this one which was lock was also a folder. Also, you can change, you can reverse it and give them their previous icons. Also, you will click on them, then come here on properties again, then customize, then change icon. Yeah, can change, choose to this one or the folder, then click on OK, then apply, then OK. Directory, you see that it changed. Yeah, so remember to subscribe to our channel so the next time when I upload a new video you will get a notification. Yeah, and also next time we'll upload the video that will talk about different things, so that remember to visit our channel so that we will see them if you have not been notified. Yeah, thanks.